In this section, we will discuss the functions of the spleen. Spleen is involved in phagocytosis. The spleen is an important component of the reticuloendothelial system. The splenic phagocytes include the reticular cells and free macrophages of the red pulp. Reticulocytes are red blood cells that are still developing. They are also known as immature red blood cells. Modified reticular cells of the ellipsoids, free macrophages, and endothelial cells of the venous sinusoids. Surface reticular cells of the lymphatic follicle. The phagocytes present in the organ remove cell debris, and old and effete red blood cells, other blood cells and microorganisms, and thus filter the blood. Phagocytosis of circulating antigens initiates humoral and cellular immune responses. Other function of spleen is hemopoiesis. The spleen is an important hemopoietic organ during fetal life. Lymphopoiesis continues throughout life. The lymphocytes manufactured in it take part in immune responses of the body. In the adult spleen, hemopoiesis can restart in certain diseases, like chronic myeloid leukemia and myelosclerosis. Spleen is also involved in immune responses. Under antigenic stimulation, there occurs increased lymphopoiesis for cellular responses and increased formation of plasma cells for the humoral responses. Spleen also has a role in storage of red blood cells. Red blood cells can be stored in the spleen and released into the circulation when needed. This function is better marked in animals than in man. Let's memorize it through an easy mnemonic. SHIP. S indicates for storage of red blood cells. H indicates for hemopoiesis. I indicates for immune responses. And P indicates for phagocytosis. So, this was all. In our next section, Dr. Eliana will join us and help us to understand histology of the spleen.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.